Well, good morning, everybody. We start here 24-hour temperature cast. Got lots of 70s this morning. Going to have lots of mid-80s again this afternoon. And more 70s tomorrow as this warm, muggy air mass just not changing. I see a couple of showers trying out over the Gulf. We'll see more and more of those developing over the next couple of days, too, in advance of now tropical storm ZETA losing that hurricane status with all its interaction with the Yucatan. I also see this cold front lined up from parts of Texas all the way through the Ohio Valley. And there is some significantly cooler air on the other side of that boundary. We should get a taste of that on Friday and for the upcoming weekend if everything goes according to the plan. Now, it's 70 degrees this morning in Thomasville, 71 in Valdosta, 74 in Tallahassee. With a pretty good breeze from the east, I don't expect fog to be a major player in the forecast. Most of our area between 70 and 75. A smidge cooler in Tifton and Homerville where it's 68, a little warmer at Apalachicola where it's 78 this morning. And there are those visibility numbers all up near 10 miles. Going to continue with that east wind flow for one more day. I think tomorrow that wind turns more southeast and south, and that's all in advance of the tropical system, which looked really impressive before it made landfall in the Yucatan late last night, and now looks a lot less impressive as it's trying to work its way west off of the Yucatan and to get back out over the open waters of the Gulf, where it should be able to regain more of its strength. Futurecast wants to continue moving this west for a good while, maybe until late tonight, and then it should start moving back more to the north. Landfall is going to be expected someplace more than likely over towards Louisiana, maybe 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow night. It's going to change a little bit based on the speed, the intensity, and all those steering mechanisms that are impacting this. It also looks like it's going to start running into a little bit of wind shear maybe later in the day tomorrow, so hopefully that means it won't continue strengthening all the way till landfall time. Now, for our area, I think our best chance to pick up some rain bands from this are likely going to be on Thursday, maybe Thursday morning into the afternoon as it continues to race off to the north and east. Right now that motion is to the north and west, and it looks a lot more west than northwest at about 14 miles per hour. Those winds down to 70. That's why we're calling it a tropical storm. It will become a hurricane again, and you see that cone west of our area, but awfully close. And I do think some of the panhandle sections will probably pick up a lot higher than normal surf, and there might be some wind out that way also. But for us, I think our impacts are going to be some pretty good rain chances on Thursday, especially maybe for the first half of the day. On the Gulf today, winds out of the east and southeast, 12 to 22, seas 2 to 4 feet. Going to start getting a lot breezier out there for the boaters. Looks like those low tides are underway now. They'll finish up around 8:30 this morning. 60s and 70s. It is warm out there, mostly 70s. I think today the combination skies, a few scattered showers will put the rain chances 40–50% and still expect those top temperatures in the mid-80s. Tonight, more muggy, more 70s, more cloudy. Not much changing tomorrow. But as we get to Thursday, that's when ZETA races off to the north and east, and that's when things start to change. Our best chance to get wet will be Thursday. And then look what happens Friday and the weekend. We cool off, we dry out, maybe a little breezy on Friday too, but it should be awfully nice for Saturday, Sunday. And don't forget, by the way, this is the weekend we turn those clocks back. So we get Halloween and a full moon on Saturday, and we get the extra hour of sleep Sunday.